Hello friends, welcome to RRS YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss in the data types in part 2. In part 1 we discussed already types of data types and how many types of data types are available in Python only. In the part 2 session only we will discuss some data types and how to usage of data types. We will discuss in the practically. In the first data type is the number data type. Number data type. So the number data type can be divided into three parts. One is the int data type, and second one is the float data type, and third one is the complex data type only. First one is the int, second one is the float, third one is the complex. So these three types are comes under the number data type. So the basically number data types means it will represent the some number only, like in the integer value or to decimal point value or real or fractional value. So these parts are divided in the number data types only. So now we are to see practically how to use it, how to declare in the int data type, how to find out in the data types, and how we can recognize the int or float or complex data types, and based on the value how to in the Python interpreter recognize the int or float or complex data type. We will see in the practically. So now I am declaring the one variable one equal to 10 only. So here variable vr1 is the variable and equal is the assignment operator, and 10 is the value only. Now what I do, the 10 value is assigned to variable 1 only. So that means variable 1 is storing the value 10 only. Now I want to print the variable 1 only. Print var1 and run the file. So here the value 10 is written only, because of we are trying to print the variable value 1 only. So here 10 is assigned to variable 1 only. Now I want to print the variable 1 value only, that's why it will return the print only. But I want to find out in the type of the data. So 10 is the value only. So 10 is what kind of data type only. For that in the Python providing the one built-in function. The built-in function name is type function only. With the help of type function only we can find out in the we can find out the value of the data type only. Let's see, for example, print type of variable 1. So print type of variable 1, this is the type is the built-in function only. So through type function only we can find out in the data type of 10 value. So now I run the file, so it will return the int data type only. So on one more value we can define variable 2 equal to 20 and print variable 1, print variable 1 again, and find out in the type of the data type value, type of er2. Now I run the file, it will return the 10 is representing the class type into data type, and 10 is representing the variable 2 only. So here also I am printing the variable 2, okay, and I run the file. So 10 is representing the class data type into, and 20 is written and also class data type only, 20 only. This is the int data type only. This is the int data type. And second one is the float data type. Float data type is nothing but a decimal numbers, like whole value dot fractional value. For example, the decimal value is defined variable 1 equal to 10.5. Here 10 is the whole value, dot is the decimal point, 5 is the fraction part only. Now we can print the variable 1. It will return the 10.5. In the same way we can find out in the type of the value 10.5. Type of year 1 on. So on print it will return the data type is float data type only. So this is the float data type only. So with the help of the type function only we can find out in the what kind of data type it will the assigned value is belongs to. We can find out in this way only. And next one is the complex data type. Third one is complex data type. Complex data type. So the complex data type can be defined like 10 plus 5j. The complex data type defined like that, 10 plus 5j. Here 10 is the real value and 5j is the imaginary value. 10 is the real value and 5j is the imaginary value. Now we can print type of variable 1. So before running the file I am commented these lines, okay, and run the file. It will return the data type is which data type? Complex data type. This data type complex data type. Here also we can define the variable 2 equal to 10 plus 0j of variable 2. Now I run the file, it will return both also return the complex data types only. Both values are written the complex data types only. These three data types are comes under the number data types. These three data types are comes under the number data type. And the next data type is the Boolean data type. Next data types is Boolean data type. Boolean data type. So basically Boolean data type means divided into two parts, either true or false only. But in the coming to numeric way, it will called as a either 0 or 1 only. In the characteristic wise it will called as a different either true or false only. Like that, a equal to true, print a, print type of a, print type of a. So in the line number 74 I am define the one variable and assign the value is true, and line number 75 I am trying to print the variable, and line number 76 I am trying to find out the variable type along with in the print the statements. So now I am run the file. It will return the line number 75 return the true, and line number 76 return the type of the variable. It will return the type of the variable. So this type of the variable is defined based on the provided value, friends. So based on the provided value, in the last we will discuss the how to declare in the file and value only. But here also type of the a, it will define the Boolean value as bool only. And the same way b equal to false B only. And then I run the file, both are written the boolean type only, and this is the first variable value and this is the second variable value, friends. So these two variable data types are comes under the boolean data type only. And third data type is non data type. Third data type is non data type. Data type is non-data type. So non-data type means nothing. Is here also the variable not storing any value. It will, that's why it will store. It will declare as a non-data type only. How to define the non-data type? Like this: variable space equal to none, then print type of variable and print the variable value and then run the file. See, it will represent the line number 87 represent the variable value, and also it will line number 88 represent the data type. So this is the non-data type only. So the variable variable storing the value is none. So this none value is comes under the non-data type. Okay. So based on the end user provided value only, Python interpreter it will declare in the data types only. For example, if the end user, or else if you provide the variable value is 10 only, it will declare as declare data type is int data type, and 10.5 it will declare as a float data type. 10 plus 5 it will declare as a complex data type. Variable 1 equal to true, it will declare as a boolean data type. Variable 2 equal to false, it will declare as a boolean data type, and variable equal to none, it will declare as a non data types. So these are the Python data types only.